Hi everyone, and welcome to my today's blog of Happy, Healthy, and Hungry for More. So today I would like to talk about single parents and in context of the challenges that they face in India. So the concept or phenomenon of single parents is not new in India. We all know that earlier on, most of the I would say the primary reason for single parenthood would be a case of, death or disease of the spouse or maternal mortality, or sometimes even the case of a man having two households and therefore, staying with only one spouse. So that would have been the reasons for single parenthood where, earlier days. But today there are more conditions, there are more situations where couples are separated, they are divorced, or somebody likes to be a single parent without marriage. So there are many such situations where single parenthood is increasing in India, and there are many challenges that these single parents face. So the first and foremost challenge, I think, of being a single parent, including me, is the playing multiple roles and responsibilities of being a mother and a father. In terms of a father traditionally being a breadwinner, you have to go to work, and so there is an aspect of going to work and to earn for your livelihood, and the second aspect of being a homemaker and also looking after the house and kids and everything else, the needs of the household. So there is that aspect of responsibility. So a lot of time is spent between work and home, and there's no real time for you to spend for yourself, or sometimes there's no time to spend even with your children, because you're working hard to make ends meet and to provide for your family, whether it's a single kid or more kids. The social stigma also that is there in society with single parents, I think that is one of the biggest reasons why many people do not go in for separation or divorces, because what will people think, what will people say, what will society, how will society look at them, and how will they treat them. That is the biggest challenge. Another aspect which I think most of the single parents face is the lack of social support. Yes, if a parent is staying with you, and there's the aspect of looking after your children, yes, there is a social support system. But most of the cases, I find that parents are really not there for anybody. So it's a question of single-handedly managing the responsibilities of not only work but also home, and the question of babysitting becomes a huge issue. So that is another, I think, big challenge that single parents in India face, whether it's a single mother or father. And I somewhere think it's more challenging for a single father than a single mother. Somewhere, being playing a traditional role of a mother is going to be much more challenging for a father than a mother. The third aspect which I find is that financial support, a lack of financial support. When divorces happen, when separation happens, a lack of financial assets, or financial stability also proves to be a huge burden for a single parent, where not only you have to provide for maybe paying for a rental property, or you have to look after the household expenses, your budgets need to be adjusted, the school fees need to be paid, the bus fees need to be paid, and any other medical fees needs to be paid, the emergency expenses that comes up. So if you look at all these small expenses, whether you're paying a maid today or you're looking at your recharges, all of the small expenses add up and really prove to be a financial burden. And there's no special facilities or that bank loans or anything that banks provide for such cases or situations. And as a result, because of course the banks usually look for collateral, and most of the time I think most parents do not have collateral and fail to get a loan that they really require to either start a business or to even survive and for livelihood. Another aspect I think that banks are also worried about is that lack of repayment of their loans, in such cases, just in case of the risks that follow a single parent. So yeah, lack of financial support from banks and from other quarters is another huge challenge that parents face. What else? I think women, single women or men also, I think I would not leave out men now, also face the societal pressure of getting remarried. If the children are very young especially, there's always the added pressure from families saying that don't grow old single, you have a companion, it's better to have a companion. So there's a pressure always. But in the case of in the case of widowhood, or whether it's a case of separation and divorce, there's always a question of the fear of, or the risk of getting, or fear of getting a trustworthy partner. So I think that keeps single parents single for a longer period of time. And there is no platform, or there's no ground for single people to meet also, or even to mingle. So forget about marriage, even for just having being friends, or for meeting in such a situation where you can talk about the challenges that you face and to help each other out. There is no such platform or ground for meeting in a singles case, or very few such exist. And so that is another challenge I think many single parents face. What else can I think of? Yeah, single mothers especially fall prey to illicit relationships. So I think single parents always, mothers give this excuse that my husband is in Dubai, so trying to keep themselves safe. So also I think altogether a question of guilt, of frustration, of not having emotional support, financial support, social support, feeling of not having enough time for your own children, for yourself sometimes. All these adds up to the burden of stress and strain for a single parent. One suggestion is to let all commercial enterprises, be it a brand, fashion brand, or any institution or organization, be it education or banks, to consider situations of such people in a separate light, and see that their burdens are eased in some way or the other, so that society as a whole can support such single parents, and help them to ease or resolve their issues to a little extent, to find that they have a place where they can find support. So that is what I request most of the organizations or educational institutes to consider the status of a single parent, and to give them a little more better discounts, so that it eases a lot of their issues at an emotional, physical, or financial level. So with that, I will end my blog for today, saying be safe, be secure, help each other out, and be happy. Bye for now.